as promised, welcome back. We promised you a video in regards to how we do the rugs. So we're going to show you how that's done. We're going to show you two main elements on how we clean rugs. And there is a 10-step process in regards to the pre-inspection and there's quite a few processes in regards to that, but we're just going to stick to the main elements on how to clean a rug. So we have a blue light here, and part of the process is we do the pre-inspection and we check the rug out in regards to any urine, any spills that can't be detected by the human eye. So what we'll do now is we've got a rug already ready. So we're going to put it through the automatic badger, and that'll beat this rug at 40,000 beats per minute, and that'll remove any dust, grime, and yeah. So we'll just move forward and get this done. It's going to be a little bit noisy just for a couple of minutes, but at least you'll see the process on how much dust and dirt that you'll be able to remove from a rug. Obviously, if you just want to come over here and have a look, we can just show you what the expectation is. You could see that rug, it looked quite clean. But if you have a look down there, if you can see, there's quite a little bit of dust and dirt that you wouldn't be able to get out normally with just a standard clean. Alrighty. So, next step, we've got a large tub here. So with any urine affected rugs, we'll mix up a solution and let it sit over there overnight, so it can extract any odours. But at this point, we've just got a next step. We're going to run through our automatic rug cleaning machine. So we'll just start her up. So with this particular rug, we've already set the settings. We normally adjust the settings to suit each type of rug, so none of the fibres will get damaged. Also, with the solutions, it's preset. As you can see, a little bit noisy. We've got the rinsing process started, and then we'll add the detergent that's already pre-done for this particular rug. And we adjust the brush height to suit the rug. We'll just speed the process up, just so you can get a bit of an understanding. But as you can see, the excess water now is being pushed away. So we've got a we've got a rinsing process that obviously neutralise any odours that are in the rug. So just remembering these are just the two main elements. Increase the speed. Alrighty, as you can see it's just rolling up. Got a nice clean rug. A little bit noisy, but you definitely get a good quality clean with your rug. So the next process is we've got a little trolley here. We'll just fast track it a little bit, but we just put it in here and we've got quite a little bit of water, as you can see. We've squeegeed it, it's nice and clean, it's been rinsed. And then we just come around here. Now we've got our automatic centrifuge wringer. And what it'll do, it'll spin the rug and it'll dry it at 90, it'll take the 96% of the moisture out, which will leave the rug really dry. So we'll just quickly show you. We'll run this for a couple of minutes, so be patient if you're just on there. So it's pretty straightforward. You just push it in. Now, like I said before, we've preset everything just to suit this rug. Obviously takes a little bit of muscle. All right, so we're just going to tighten this up, and we're going to run it for a couple of minutes. So just bear with us. So what's that doing now is obviously spinning around. And it's taking all that moisture out of the rug, which will leave it pretty much dry. You can actually walk away and yeah, be extremely happy. So it's pretty quiet. So once this rug is all we're going to do, we're just going to pull it out. Going to grab a couple of tissues. I'm just going to show you how much water's been extracted, and then the next step after that is I'll explain that once it's finished. But we put it in our drying rooms and we hang them up, and the temperature's set. So obviously you can make sure that no odours, especially on any viscose rugs and that type of thing. We're not going to have any issues with wetting. Sorry, it won't be long. Okay, we're getting close now. While I've got you on obviously on live, and the process. There's a lot more process, and we're just showing you a couple of elements on how we clean rugs. Just to let you know that obviously if you've got some rugs and then you're looking to get them professionally cleaned, we clean all types of rugs. We've been very experienced in how we do things. We've been doing it for the last 10 years plus, and this is new technology which will just mean that you're just going to get a really good quality clean, and you'll be extremely happy instead of the old technical old ways in the process there. You're going to get more processes, you're going to get better value for money, and you're going to get a cleaner rug. So just to give you a little bit of understanding, we do service Brisbane, all of Brisbane, Gold Coast, all the Sunshine Coast, and we even go out to Toowoomba and right down to Tweed Heads. We do a free pick-up and drop-off service. So if you've got any questions and you'd like to find out about your rug, feel free to give us a call, and we're open 6 days a week. So you can give us a call on 1300 946 946, and we're called Boo-Hoo Carpet Cleaning and Pest Management, you can find us on our website, which is www.boohoo.com.au, which is who.com.au, and we'll take you to the right page, and please check us out. So it's just slowing down now. Feels like the longest 3 minutes. Alrighty, we'll get in there now. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it out. We'll just show you how dry they get. And that's the whole key on cleaning rugs as well. We're not going to have any odour problems. We're not going to have any bleeding. All those pre-steps are all being done. And yeah, you get great value for money. She's nice and white now. All I'm going to do is, as you can see, there's no moisture, and that's what you want. So, there's no moisture, she's dry. And now that will go in a special room that we've got and hung up, and then once we'll do a little test on it to make sure she's up to the standards that we have with our cleaning. And then she'll get packaged and tagged and then sent back to you all nice and clean and brand new. We also deal in restoration in regards to rugs. If you've got any rug damage or rug fading, or we can restore the colours back into the rug, just feel free to give us a call. Once again, 1300 946 946.
Thanks for watching.
Alrighty, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.